Hello children, welcome to maths class. In this video we are going to learn 7.2 question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6 minus 8 is divided by minus 1 and 6. So, starting itself when we read the question, we found here not asking find the coordinates of the point dividing the line segment joining the other 2 points. Here what is that? Find the ratio. So, idea we have got, what we have to do? A line segment is joining these 2 points. First coordinate is minus 3, 10 and another one is 6 minus 8 and a point is there, suppose P. This coordinate is given. We have to find out this AP ratio PB. In previous questions we saw question number 1 and 2 and all, we were getting the ratio in the question and then we were finding these coordinates. Here we have to find out the ratio. So, we can just start, let what is that? Let the required ratio be m ratio n. We know, let the required ratio be m ratio n, in which the line segment AB or these 2 points, the line segment joining the 2 points AB is divided by the point P. Coordinates are given, or we can refer here also. So, bisection formula, what we get? Coordinates of the point P. So, let us go bisection formula, we can mention like this also here. Coordinates of point P, once again I am repeating this, coordinates of point P, what are these? x1, y1, another point x2, y2 and a point which divides, let us say the coordinate is xy. So, we are finding this x equal to, section formula is that x equal to mx plus 2 plus nx 1 by m plus n. So, think here in this formula what we have in this question, x, this coordinate we have minus 1, m n we do not have, we do not know, x2 x1 we have. So, what we have we will use in this formula, we do not have, we will get. Let us do, x is here minus 1, m we do not know, x2 we have there 6 plus n also we do not know, ratio we have to find out, into x2 is minus 3 by m plus n, we do not know m plus n, we are going to find that only. What we can do now here? We can simplify and go one more step, then later we will see. Minus 1 by 1 we just put here, 6m plus minus 3n by m plus n. So, reaching this step we see no way to do anything, only we can do here, that is cross multiplication. Let us do that and see what we will get in next step. So, cross multiplication we can start from any way, denominator numerator or numerator denominator. So, let us see 6m into 1, 6m, again minus 3n into 1 minus 3n equal to m into minus 1 minus m, n into minus 1 minus 1 minus n, m will bring together, n we will take together in LHS and RHS. So, 6m is here, another m we bring from RHS in LHS, it will change sign plus. We get here minus n, 3n will come, change the sign plus 3n. We get what? 6 1 7m is equal to 3n minus 2n, 3n minus n 2n. What we need? We need m ratio n we need, that means we need m by n. So, why not? Now, m n we bring in LHS, I mean in one side together, and numbers in RHS. Let us see what we get. M, this n is in into, it will come here in division, 2 is here, 7 will come in RHS. What we get then? M by n equal to 2 by 7, that is m ratio n equal to 2 ratio 7. We can, already we have got the ratio. So, we do not need to go for the another point coordinate, no, y. We used only one point of the point which is dividing the line segment, and then we got the ratio. So, we do not need to go for y, we are not here finding the coordinates, we are finding only the ratio. We got the ratio, we stop the solution, that work is done. Hope you have understood. Another question, question number 5, let us see, is find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by the x axis. So, this is something new we find here, divided by x axis. So, there is a line segment, its coordinates are given, A is minus 1 minus 5 and another point B, its coordinates are minus 4 and 5. So, this line segment is divided, there is a point, what is that? Find the ratio in which the line segment joining this is divided by x axis. So, just imagine when you are drawing that graph work you do, if any point falls on x axis, then what will be the coordinate of that point? So, we will understand this here, rough work, a small rough work is enough to understand that. Any point is on x axis, x will have its value maybe minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 or 1, 2, 3 and so on, but y will be 0 only. Any point on x axis, x will have a value, but y will have only 0 as value, and the point is on y axis, then x will be 0. We need to know, and nothing is very hard to know about that. Point is on y axis, x will be 0, point is on x axis, y will be 0. So, this point, suppose here divided by x axis, it will have a coordinate, x will be something, but y will be only 0. So, we will start with this, let solution we start, P x 0 be a point on x axis which divides the line segment joining this in the ratio m ratio n, x axis which divides the line segment joining the points A, B, A is 1 minus 5 and B is minus 4, 5, ratio we have to find. So, in the ratio m ratio n. So, everything we have given in this introduction. What is that point? X 0 is the point on the y axis. In which ratio it is dividing the line segment joining that 2 points? In m ratio n. Then question is here what? After this, first we will find ratio and then find the coordinates of this point. That means here y is 0, x only we have to find out. Let us see. First we will go coordinates of the point, bisection formula. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So, y we have value 0, m we do not have, y2 is 5, n is not known, y1 is minus 5, m plus n remains as it is. We do cross multiplication at this step, 1 into 5m, 5m, 1 into minus 5n, minus 5n is equal to m plus n into 0. 5n we take in RHS, we get here 5m is equal to 0 plus 5n, 5 ones are 5 ones are, both 1 is there, both sides. Now, mn will bring together, 1 will go, number will go in RHS. We get what? m by n is equal to 1 by 1. So, what we understood? The ratio is here 1 ratio 1. Now one more thing I want to ask you, a simple multiple choice question like, if m ratio n is 1:1, then this point is where? This point is the midpoint, exactly in the middle of these 2 points. That is why the ratio we are getting equal. Anyway, that is not the part of it, but we should know. Sometimes we should be very observing what the things are there about. After knowing this ratio m and n, now question is this: find the coordinates of the point of division. So why we are knowing it is 0? X, you remember here I wrote x, after that I have told that we will not use x for finding ratio m n because x value is not known. The value of y is known, so we got the value ratio using y, and now we will go x equal to, what is that? mx2. mx2 ratio is 1 into x2 is -4 plus n is also 1 into x1 is 1. So we will write 1 by m plus n is 1 plus 1. So we get here -4 plus 1 by 2, we will get -3 by 2. So what will be the coordinates of this point? -3 by 2 and 0. We can write the coordinates of point on x axis, coordinates of the point on x axis are -3 by 2 and 0. So we have completed these solutions also. Now see you in next video with the new solutions, continuation of this exercise. Please subscribe and share these channels, and also give comment which is your doubt other than this topic. What topic I am sending you video, other than this topic, whichever portion you are having doubt, please give comment, leave that in comment, question number and exercise. I will be uploading, making video for you. Thank you. See you in next video.